Pass. Minty's got it. Pummy's gonna have to get there. Nope, Doodle Bob's gonna get there. Pinky sends it. Intercepted! Pomni's got it. Send it. Whoa! Silverwolf intercepted! 4th down. What do we got? Oh, that's straight Japan. Japan's got it. Pomni's gonna get the tackle at the 15. That's past Japan. Japan's got it. Japan touchdown. Gonna have to find someone for a good yardage. It's gonna be Chahain. That was really good. Chahain's gonna take that way further. That is a huge part of the defense. Send. Okay. 2nd and 11. Send it. Japan actually got that. Oh my goodness. Pinky sends it. Japan's got it over Doodle Bob. Oh man. And 1st and goal. Pinky sends it. Japan's got it. Touchdown. I think winning this game is a little out of proportion, but on the run, send it. Japan's got it. Minty. Okay, I thought Minty was gonna get the block, but Japan. Touchdown. Send it. Chahain's got it to the 40. Sun Jin-woo on the run. Sends it. Chahain's got it. Touchdown. Wow, that was so quick over to Japan. Pomni needs to get over there quickly. Pinky sends it. Japan's got it. Oh my goodness, bro. This goes by both of them. And then Minty block, bro. Oh my. Sun Jin-woo sends it. Japan, another touchdown. They're gonna put up 50 at this rate. All right, Steelers offense back out here again. Yo, they got dragged backwards. Touchdown. Just please. Just please. Tyreek! That, oh my goodness. It's another touchdown. This is embarrassing. I'm getting embarrassed. Oh my goodness, Chris. Thank you for being that open. Every time! It's 4th and 10. Let's not throw an int. Oh